So circumference, the only thing we can do with the circumference is divide by pi. And that gives us 0.955. So that's the diameter. Now, I hope you can see the diameter of the circle is this distance here. But I hope you can see that the diameter is also this length, and this length, and this length here, and this length here. So the square, the perimeter of the square is 4 times this number, 0.955, which gives us 3.82 meters. Now I'm going to rub some of these things off. The only lines which we haven't taken into consideration are these 2 lines here. Now if that's the centre of the circle and that's the circumference, that means that's the radius, and that's the radius as well. But we know that 2 lots of the radius give us the diameter, which is this here. So what I'm going to do is to add on another one. And that gives us 4.775 meters. And the last thing that we have to do is to add on the circumference of the circle itself. That will give us the total. So I'm going to add on 3. That gives us 7.775 meters.